You are obviously thinking sod, right?
That's right, yeah.
What'd you do to prep for that?
So we brought in a bunch of topsoil, a couple of 4 inches, you know, got the grade away from the house.
Nice.
And so, yeah, we're pretty close.
Let's roll it out.
Okay, sounds good.
Watch it back there.
Good. Actually, hold on a second, Kevin. Just like the bricks in the house, we like to stagger the joints.
Nice, okay. Love the little trimmer.
That's nice. Yeah, it makes quick work of it.
Yeah.
You know, if you don't have something like that, a drywall knife works pretty well as well.
But what's spinning instead?
Well, you've got a steel blade there. That's what you edge your lawn with. Yeah.
Nice.
So, yeah, it does a nice job.
And
there you go.
And a nice clean cut.
That's right. Yeah, just
Good
like
edge.
that. Yeah, it's beautiful. Yep, exactly. Yeah. You got it.
Love it.
Yep, that's how you do it. Kevin, when we get down to the sidewalk, depending on the time of year, the sidewalk could heat up. So we don't want to put the 4-inch piece right next to the pavement.
Nice.
So put a full piece here and we splice in the 4 inches.
Love it.
Yep. So Dan's going to start blowing off the cement here, all the topsoil or whatever that's behind, all the remnants or whatever, get it tidy. And then come springtime, the seams will blend right in and yeah, you're going to have a great lawn.
Looks fantastic. Cannot thank you enough for throwing in, Mike.
Okay, thank you.
Appreciate it. Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project. So be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.